What's up, everybody? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this video here is another unboxing of an AV processor from Marantz. So, Marantz, how about that? I've never owned a Marantz in my life. I've owned Denon, I've owned Pioneer, I've owned Onkyo, and I've owned Yamaha, and even Sony, but I've never owned a Marantz. So now, the only reason I have this, because I just got, the amazing Yamaha, is IMAX Enhanced. So IMAX Enhanced is a new technology from DTSX that's coming out here early next year. They've already, I believe I have some movies coming out here. Holy cow. So hey, this is the world's first AV processor that is IMAX Enhanced compatible, and it is about to be installed in the Rafcave home theater. Pretty exciting. You know what? This isn't going to be any hype video on it. This is going to be an unboxing of this processor. It will be installed. I will run the Odyssey calibration on it, and I'll just enjoy the sound from it. So let's do the unboxing, shall we? Let's go. Black pin. All right, guys, here we go. Another unboxing for the Rafcave. Pretty fortunate enough to trade in / sell the Yamaha to get this guy here. Paid a little extra to get it, but I mean, when I saw this processor available with IMAX Enhanced, I mean, that's something, I gotta get it. I already have an IMAX Enhanced projector with the amazing 4K native Sony 285, so why not have the receiver processor to give you that amazing video and audio performance from IMAX 4K Blu-rays. All right, let's get this box opened. Marantz. So is this the brand that everybody enjoys? We'll have to find out when I install it, right? Hopefully the name of it is worthwhile. Here we go, guys. First thing is Marantz AV7705 owner's manual, which is nice because I didn't get one with the Yamaha. Here we have the FM radio with the two Wi-Fi Bluetooth antennas, AM antenna here, and of course I love the labels for all your RCAs and speaker wires. Probably some warranty and booklet information in here. This is going to be that really cool tripod microphone setup that you get with the Denon receivers. So that's included here for calibration. Of course, a lovely box with the Odyssey microphone included. Better quality power cord than the Yamaha, but of course we have the AudioQuest garden hose power cable. Ooh, so we have a slight downgrade in remote control, but how often do you use this remote anyway, right? But it is a good, looks pretty good. It's got plenty of buttons that I'm pretty sure I'll be able to take advantage of. Very nice. And two AAA batteries. All right, these are separated. So we have Styrofoam 1, Styrofoam 2. All right, here we go. Okay, there we go. On top of there, got the 4 stickers. 1, 2, You know, guys, I would be more excited to unbox this because you know me, I love this stuff. But, you know, someone pointed out that, you know what, I'm just going to be gushing over something new and blah, 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 and be all super excited about it and say it sounds amazing and better than one before. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to unbox this for you guys. Hook it up and enjoy, like I said before. Here we are. Marantz Processor AV7705. You got all the latest Dolby Atmos, DTSX, Euro 3D, high-res audio, Odyssey calibration. It's got the latest calibration as well. Odyssey LFC, HDMI, Dolby Vision, ISF certified, Crestron connected, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDAM, and HEOS. Oh, look at that front. Oh, man. You gotta admit, that's a cool design. That is a really cool design, what Marantz does in front. Man. Let's take the sticker off here. Hang on to that sticker. And take this one off here. Ooh, not so fast, Marantz. Hang on. Ah, look at these stickers. HEOS, Amazon Alexa, this one here, IMAX DTS ready. I don't even think I'm going to take that off, guys. Honestly, I might leave it on there. And then we have all the specs right here. You know what, man? I don't know if I've ever liked the design of Marantz, but now that it's in front of me, in my home, I think it looks spectacular. I love it. And what I love is when you turn it on, this illuminates blue, which will match my monster power voltage stabilizers and conditioner. I think that's going to be sweet. Open this guy up. Ooh, I love that extra screen right here. That is really cool. Bunch of nice buttons there. Oh man, looks good. Setup mic, phone, USB, HDMI. Man. It's definitely not as big as the others. Doesn't matter though when you have high quality parts like this. So the back of it, all gold plated, which is good. Tons of HDMI, 8 HDMI, HDCP 2.2, 4K certified, and 3 outputs. Now that's nice. XLRs in the bottom. Of course, my pre-outs will go right there for my amps. Very nice, clean look in the back. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, guys, there is your unboxing. I will be installing this now and enjoying Marantz IMAX Enhanced Processor in the Rafcave. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share if you're new. I appreciate it. Comment below if this is pretty cool to have. Yeah. Other than that, I'm going to hook it up tonight, set it up, do the Odyssey calibration. I might do a video on it. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see that. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Skull.